Today I will tell you how to hack Subway Surfer using Lucky Patcher. I have showed you how to download Lucky Patcher in my previous video. The link is given below in the description. So firstly open the Lucky Patcher. Click on the game click on Subway Surfers or any other game, offline game that you want to hack. Click on menu of packages. Create modified APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Rebuild the app. It may take some time. Until then, I will show you what's my status of keys and coins in Subway Surfer. My Subway Surfer is opening. See, I have only 7 keys and 3250 coins. Yes, now check the status of Lucky Patcher. It is working. Click on uninstall and install. Then data backup and get yes. Install this app. Okay. It is been installing from my phone. Now press install. It will save that same as when it appeared for Lucky Patcher details. Install it. the new Subway Surfer is being installing. Once installed, open this app and I will show you how to make other changes. So where is it? Becoming. See, Subway Surfer has been come. The game has been installed, so all the previous data has been vanished. See, the whole has been installed. I will play for some time and then quit. Play for some time and get out of row. Checking. See, now I will tell you how many coins I have. Okay. See, go to boost. I have only 5 these and 2 coins. I will add. Let's add. See, vault of coin. I will buy vault of coin. Just click on it. That is what lucky capture to auto wait purchase. Yes. See how much coins I have got in just few seconds. It is the highest number of coin you can reach in Subway Surfer. Maybe. Now see create of keys, auto wait purchase. Yes. See my keys. See, I have just hacked Subway Surfer. Please, you can buy all the things in Subway Surfer such as double coins, etc. Please like and comment on my video and subscribe the channel or Wongus Bob.